This is green.
Green what?
Green what? Green's over there. Green's over there.
Are you a girl?
No.
No. What are you?
I'm a girl.
You're a girl. What am I?
You're a girl too.
I'm a girl too. What's Pearson?
She's a girl too.
No.
She's a boy.
He's a boy.
He's a boy.
Right.
She wants to fall asleep.
He wants to fall asleep.
He's not sure. Not let her fall asleep.
Mm-hmm. What's Daddy? Is he a girl or a boy?
I studied. I studied.
What is he?
I studied.
Is Daddy a boy or a girl?
And I studied the woman.
What?
And I studied the woman.
Take your finger out of your mouth. I can't understand you.
Is that the woman?
Is he a boy?
He's a boy.
He's a boy.
He's the boy.
Mm-hmm. Who else is a boy?
He's a woman.
I can't understand you.
Where's a boy?
What's a boy?
Where's a
Is Greta a girl or a boy? That's a tricky one, huh?
Where's a
Greta's a girl.
Where's a Where's Daddy?
Where's Daddy?
Where's a Where's Daddy?
Daddy's in the car. He's coming home.
Start outside.
Yes.
What happened? What happened? I'm still in the dark.
It's dark. It's nighttime.
Then we can sing.
Yeah, rock and sing time.
Night time.
Mm-hmm.
Good night.
It's good nighttime.
It's dark. What's happening?
It gets dark every day.
Isn't the light on?
We have lights on.
Let's turn the light on.
Mm-hmm.
Let's turn the light on.
We have the light on. It's right there.
There's another light.
That's right.
There's another light over there. Wait, what, right?
No, thank you. I ate mine. You have yours. What's wrong?
And then made it.
Why? Is it cold?
No. The orange is cold?
Oranges are supposed to be cold.
A cold?
Mm-hmm.
I put the pieces up.
Yeah.
Put the pieces up. Put the pieces up.
Clean yet? Yeah, can you say bye? Say bye.